Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on and set up smart lock on your Samsung phone. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To enable smart lock, open the settings app and then scroll down and select lock screen from the list. On here, tap on where it says smart lock. You could also search for smart lock on the homepage of the settings if you can't find it. Enter your current PIN now and then read the information and tap on Got It at the bottom. You can now choose the type of smart lock to set up. For example, we could start with on-body detection, so tap on this and then use the toggle switch to turn it on. Read the warning and tap on Continue if you're happy. This will keep the device unlocked when your device remains in motion, but obviously it cannot detect who has the device. You can also enable smart lock to keep your device unlocked in trusted places. Tap on Add Trusted Place and use the map to find the area, and then choose Select this location. You can remove a location by tapping on it, and then by tapping on Turn off this location at the bottom. Finally, you can use the Trusted Devices option to keep your phone unlocked when it's connected to another device, such as a watch via Bluetooth. Add a trusted device here. Make sure it's paired already to see it on the list. You can now test out smart lock with the settings you've created. That's how to turn on and set up smart lock on your Samsung phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Samsung device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.